Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what matters: a thin crepe-style batter and softened ice cream. Mix 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup milk until smooth. This yields a flexible shell. Meanwhile, preheat your crepe or pizzelle iron to medium-high, about 180 degrees. Once the iron is hot, work quickly. Spoon batter onto the plate, close, and cook until light brown. Also, set aside 1 cup chopped roasted peanuts and let the ice cream soften so it will spread. Once you can handle the hot shell, time and shaping are critical. Cook each batter around 30 to 45 seconds until golden, then lift and drape over a taco mold or a rolling tube. Shape while pliable so it hardens in taco form. After shaping, cool shells on a rack for 5 to 10 minutes so they set. Next, spoon and spread about 1/2 to 3/4 cup softened ice cream into each shell, smoothing quickly. Press chopped peanuts onto the exposed ice cream edges so they adhere before refreezing. For the final finish, melt about 8 ounces dark chocolate with 1 tablespoon neutral oil until glossy. Let it cool slightly so it won't melt the ice cream. Dip each fully frozen taco quickly, coating edges and nuts, then return them to the freezer for 1 to 2 hours to fully set. If a shell cracks during handling, chill it 10 minutes to firm, then gently press the crack closed and refreeze. Make sure to work fast so the ice cream core stays solid and the chocolate glaze remains even.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.